I went to law school from 1972 to 1976, 4 years at night, while I worked at a law firm in San Francisco. And there I had a lot of exposure doing different kinds of things. As a matter of fact, it was a general practice that gave me exposure to doing family law, personal injury, real estate, corporate, even criminal law. I was raised in the home of a doctor and grew up hearing stories about people being saved and the dramatic work that my father did to help people, which was always inspiring. I was impressed by his caring attitude towards people. I think that is in me. I have a touch of that in me. I had come to California for a summer session in 1970. I went to UCLA for the summer and found that I really enjoyed California and what it had to offer. And after finishing my bachelor's and my master's degrees in New York, I applied to law school here. As a young man, the things that really appealed to me were just the natural beauty of California. So I came to San Francisco in 1972 to start law school with the intention of staying here afterwards and establishing a practice, which I've done. In the personal injury practice, I've focused on helping people get what they need, and for the most of the time I'm representing them. That means getting the medical care that they need. The actual lawsuit and making the claim is only a portion of what we do, and it's obviously an important part, but it's not necessarily the most rewarding part of what we do. What makes our practice maybe different from some of the others around is that we limit the number of cases we take and spend a lot of personal time with each client to learn all about them and what it is that the injuries were and how it's affected their lives, both personally, emotionally, maybe educationally, what impact it's had on the family. One of the specialties that we have in our practice is the ability to present cases in a very modern and appealing way in court. We use video, movies, still pictures, and all of these are done very seamlessly in front of the jury to save time and be able to put on our case smoothly. I think that my background in drama and television before going into law may have been helpful to me in that regard, because I think of things as a production and what's the best way to put over a story. As a matter of fact, when I was a very young lawyer and I would go to trial and I would be frightened and nervous standing up in front of the jury, I would calm down by reminding myself that it's not a performance, I don't have to act, it's a story. And we're telling a story, and it's more in the nature of a news story. Juries respond to the story. I'm frequently seen as kind of quiet and soft-spoken in the courtroom, not flamboyant, but the story is what the jury will remember. It's the most important thing for them to remember. So those are the special things that we bring to the handling of a case, the personal attention and the special abilities in the courtroom.